Hi guys, this is going to be kind of a crooked pour because I am all crooked here. Let me see if I can get this all together. Jesus Christ. My whole canvas is falling. So I'm just going to put it in the middle. And hopefully, I don't know if it slide or what it's going to do. Sometimes they slide. Sometimes they don't slide at all. I got another piece there. I don't want it sticking up. But here we go. Put all the yellow in there. Such a pretty yellow to go in that black background. I'm gonna put the brown. See, maybe the brown will make it move. Nope, it's not moving. Let's see. Let's get a little slant to the canvas. If you give it a little push, it'll push. It'll move. Give it time. I'll give it some time. Leave it alone. Let it go. A little red. Alright, so we used all the rest of the colors I got left over from my white background that I did right before this one. You see, now it's coming out. That's the surprise. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that yellow and brown. How pretty does that look? That looks so magnificently beautiful. Okay. And I did use silicone in this one, so that's why I am getting some cells. Cells are beautiful when you use silicone. Oh yeah. See, I clean while I make my mess. I don't like to leave it a mess, a big mess. I like to clean up as I do what I do. And then at the end, it becomes a bigger mess if you don't clean it. So now I'm going to put some white. See how this white would make a difference in here? Look at that white. It's starting to brighten up. Brighten up the sunshine here. You beautiful white here. Yeah, look at that. How gorgeous is that? Lots of cells coming through. Yeah, I love it. And now I'm just going to use some gold. The last of the gold I have left over. No more gold. Oh no. I gotta buy more gold. What we do without gold. I love gold. Gold is the prettiest color altogether. Yep. So, look at this. This needs a little push here. Let me just push it this way. Because, like I said, I want that gold to really spread out. And not only the gold, the white. Look how beautiful that white is. You could just push it little by little, tiny, tiny movements, so you don't mess up your cells production there. You see, and you don't leave a bald spot like I just did there. Yeah. Isn't that cute? So beautiful. Yeah. So I'm just gonna give it some a torch. Okay. And now what I will do is give it a tilt. See how much I could tilt it? I may leave a negative, space. And the yellow is all completely gone. I don't even see the yellow in here that much anymore. It's gone, the yellow. The yellow is good, but that's okay. All the other colors are staying and they're beautiful. So I think that's it. I think that's enough negative space that it shows how pretty this is going to dry. It's going to dry beautiful. And this is one of those wet canvases. I've been doing the priming them twice. And actually when they dry so much better than a canvas, But I know that the wood canvases, I think they're more expensive. So stick to your, to your regular canvas. If you can't get the wood, it's not the end of the world. Well, that's it, guys. I'm letting it go. I'm all done for the day. I finished all my paint. I have nothing left over, which is good, because I don't like leftover paint. All right, here we go. That's the left-hand corner. Look at those big, ginormous cells. Aren't they beautiful? Look at the gold. The gold is so beautiful. And I did get nice negative space all around, so I'm happy with that. This is all cell production going on in here. All cell for, formation. And, yeah, I love it. This light always gets in the way. And I do have very tiny webbing of the yellow, so I didn't lose all the yellow. Most of it went down here. But, I love how this turned out. I don't know what I would call this. Looks like an earthquaker. What would I name this? Guys, give me a suggestion so I can name it before I put it up in the gallery website. Love you all. God bless.